Release files in SNOMED CT, the clinical dictionary within electronic health and care records. This animation illustrates the elements that make up the UK editions of SNOMED CT and the files that provide the clinical and drug content. Firstly, let's learn a little about the SNOMED CT release extensions and structure. All SNOMED release extensions sit on a bed of SNOMED International. The UK clinical extension includes things like procedures, diagnoses, problems and anatomy. The UK drug extension contains medicines and medical devices, including trade family names. Previously, users were required to download both, even if they only required one extension. This was problematic as it meant duplication of codes across versions, which cost time and effort to deduplicate. A decision was made to change the release structure to one whereby the separate extensions could be downloaded separately. The files that constitute the UK editions of SNOMED CT are currently as follows: a standalone UK clinical extension, a standalone UK drug extension, a UK extension. All SNOMED extensions continue to sit on a bed of SNOMED CT International. The UK extension, this third new extension, sits in both clinical and drug extensions. It includes only the duplicated information which exists across both the clinical and drug extensions. Users are therefore only required to download the UK extension once and can then choose whether to download either or both of the standalone clinical and drug extensions. To locate the extensions, you will first need to log into TRUD. You can access this at isd.digital.nhs.uk. You will need to log in or create an account first. In the list on the left, select SNOMED CT UK edition. Locate the release files that you require and click subscribe. You will then be able to download the release. The latest release will always be displayed at the top. Let's download and look at the latest release in this list. The files will download onto your machine in a zip file. Select the release files which are relevant to you. For example, a full download if you are completing a brand new installation, or snapshot if you are only requiring the latest version. To learn about the differences between full, delta and snapshot, watch the releases type animation. How often is there a new SNOMED release? The UK drug edition is released every 4 weeks. Every 6 months an additional drug edition is released, which provides relationships to the international release. The UK clinical edition is released every 6 weeks. Where next? Our release types animation details the differences between the full, snapshot and delta releases. For more information, visit our website, email our SNOMED implementation team, or search for NHS Digital or SNOMED CT on Twitter